Hey everyone, welcome to my computer screen today on the School Hive's YouTube channel. I am Miss Katie and today I'm going to show you how to make a virtual word wall. I had this idea about a month ago. I usually have a physical word wall in my classroom, and if you don't know what that is, here's a bunch of them on Pinterest. I started to question why I have been taking up so much space for these in my classroom though. It's always too far away to where my students have to get up to go look at it. So I thought for the next school year, I'd change it up a little bit. I got onto my school's Google account and opened up the Google Slides. And then I made sure that the page was set up to an 8.5 by 11. This will be basically any paper size. I then added a table and merged a few cells that I felt like would have a lot of words. This may vary in grade. I then added the alphabet letters and bolded them. I added the first two colors from my Dolge sight words into their corresponding letters. I know that I can barely see the board with my terrible eyes, so I feel like any student may not be able to see that small word "and" up on the wall, virtual or not, so I decided to print it out as well. Afterwards, I laminated it so that each of my 12 students will have a cheat sheet list that will last them all year. They will also have a student dictionary that I will have them write each new sight word in as we learn them throughout the year. I think this new process of the virtual word wall will work much better for my students and give them even more access and independence for their sight words because we'll have the Google slide up of the word wall, they'll have a physical copy laminated, and they'll also have a dictionary where they can find it as well. So basically they have a bunch of tools and they can choose which one works for them and that they want to use. I will definitely be updating you later in the school year of how well it worked out. I hope this gave you an idea of an alternate way to the traditional word wall. Feel free to like this video below and also subscribe to the School Hive channel. If you'd like to see more teacher updates, make sure to follow my Instagram and blog. Links are below, and as always, happy teaching!